Have you ever heard anybody say content creation is a lazy man's job? I have heard it countless times. If you go to Facebook, the comments are always there. People are always saying it, especially for the guys. People will be like, how can a guy just set tripod, put phone and be doing video? You no go work. Your mates dey work for us and you dey house, you dey say you dey do content. People are still saying it now, and that is one thing that has been discouraging some people. You know, there are some people, just a little thing you just tell them, a little word you just say, they are already discouraged. You understand? So that's why I'm doing this, all these kind of videos, to ginger you people, to ginger you. See, don't listen to any negative vibe, don't listen to any negative advice. You understand? Content creation is not a lazy man's job, and it can never ever be a lazy man's job. In fact, somebody that is lazy cannot do content creation. Never. Content creation does not just stop at you getting a phone and placing the phone somewhere, talking to the camera. It's more than that. You have to be creative. You have to be creative. Yes, as they normally say, anybody can do content creation, but it takes one who is creative, who is determined to be able to excel in this content creation journey. So when you talk about content creation being a job for a lazy man, I do not agree with it, and I will never agree with it. Hey, sometimes you see, when you are doing your content writing, you are trying to put things together to say, because you can't just do a video that thousands of people, you don't even know the video that will go viral, that millions of people will see. Do you understand? You are doing a video that people will be at their houses, their place of work, watching you. Even some people watch YouTube on their television, they are watching you somewhere. You can't just be doing rubbish now. You have to do something that you know will be okay for them. When they watch it, everybody will be happy. Do you understand? So tell me, how is it a lazy man's job? Something that you will do that millions of people all over the world will be watching it. Somebody out there is telling you that it's a lazy man's job, and you are like, that's true. It's a lazy man. Don't believe anybody that will say that. If you know you can do content creation, go for it. Normally, for me, I believe that it is not for everybody. Not everybody can do content creation and succeed in it, because along the line, when they are not seeing the results they want, they quit. You understand? Because it's just like investment. When you invest on something, you don't just wait to start cashing out from that thing immediately. You have to give it time. So that is when that is how content creation is. You are investing your time, your energy, your effort, your money, everything. You are investing it in creating content, and you don't just expect to start receiving the money back. It doesn't work like that. You have to give it time. Though everybody's journey is different, so you can start making money as quick as 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. While some people it takes 2 years, 1 year. You understand? So content creation is not a lazy man's job, and it will never be a lazy man's job. Please do not listen to anybody that will discourage you from doing content. Do not allow anybody to discourage you. People are making money from content. I hope you know that it's not just creating videos alone that you can make money from. You can also do ads for other people. They will pay you for doing advertisements. All you need to do is to focus on your YouTube channel. Make sure that your channel is healthy. Your channel is healthy. It's not a matter of you having 100,000 subscribers. So that is not the point. So subscriber is good. You understand? But that is not the main thing about content creation. Same with Facebook. So people have 1 million followers, but when they post a video, it just be like saying nobody they watch the video. Content creation is more than that. You that have decided to start content creation, you have told yourself that you are doing this. So why are you listening to negative vibes? See, they don't really disturb the ladies or the girls when they are doing content. They'll be like, nah, girls thing now. But you see, for guys, people are really discouraging them. So if you are a guy, you are watching this video and you have it in mind to start content, this is me telling you to start without looking back. Yeah, start without looking back. People are going to always discourage you, come with their different comments, come with their different advice. All you need to do is to filter it. You pick the ones that are good, and the ones that are not good for you, throw it away, trash it. You understand? Don't allow anybody to discourage you. Don't allow anybody to discourage you. You will start getting noticed. if you are doing Facebook or YouTube or TikTok, people will start knowing you. Before you know it, you don dey turn to celebrity small small. You might not just be this very big celebrity, but people are already knowing you. I've come across videos on this YouTube, and when you go to their comment section, you start seeing comments like, where have you been? You just left us on this YouTube script. Not be so, all those kind of things. Please don't go for too long. But make sure you come back on time. Oh, please, oh, don't leave us like this. Oh, we are waiting for your next videos. You start seeing those kind of comments. Why? Because that person has been able to build a community. You understand? All those people that are discouraging you now from doing your content creation, tomorrow they will be the one to come and meet you and ask you to come and teach them about content creation. Do you understand? So don't listen to any negative vibe. Content creation is not a lazy man's job. Yeah, it's not a lazy man's job. You can do content and you'll make money from it. You are making money, you are happy, you are helping people, you are teaching people. You know, there are some people that don't know how to cook, but because of YouTube, they have been able to learn how to cook. So people are watching your videos, they are learning from it, they are thanking you. While you are thanking them because you are making money from it. You understand? Everybody is happy at the end of the day. So don't allow anybody to discourage you. I had to do this video specially. Don't allow anybody to discourage you. In case you have been feeling discouraged ever since because of the low views, no subscribers, no this, no that, pick up your phone and think of the next content you are going to do. Do it and post it. You never can tell which content will go viral. You never can tell which content will go viral. Guys, I hope you have been able to learn one or two things from this video. If you did, please do well by supporting me. Like this video, share this video, drop a comment and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Content creation not be lazy man job. Oh.